Hello world, here is Umbele Marlon and Yeme presenting to you on some basics about design and technology. And so on our Design and Technology 101 module, today we'll be dealing with what we caption Introduction to Technology. And under Introduction to Technology, we desire to deal with a few things that I'm sure will be of great interest to many of you, dear listeners. And we'll be sharing on three key things. The first is we're going to define what technology really is, and next, we're going to have a background of technology. After that, we're going to look into some applications of technology, and I trust it's going to be an exciting session. Don't touch that dial. If you're watching from YouTube, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and above all, click the notification bell so that you always know what's happening, and we'll keep you updated with all what's happening to ensure that intellectually you're top notch. And so, like I said earlier, today we'll be discussing on an introduction to technology. And so, to begin with, I'd just like to say that technology refers to the practical application of scientific knowledge. It's true that we live in an age where information has never been more available. Like, information is so present everywhere. But the relevance of this information is trapped in its application. If you cannot be able to apply the knowledge you have, then it's wasted knowledge, it's irrelevant knowledge. So, technology is actually being able to apply your scientific information to be able to produce tangible results. And it's without doubt that you should know by now that we are a race of people, the human race. It's a race of people who are so resilient about coming up with new ways to be able to solve their problems quicker, to solve their problems to make their lives better, and also to ensure that all these are done at cheaper cost. And that's where technology comes in. Technology ensures that you can be able to do things quicker, you can be able to do things cheaper, and yes, you can also be able to do things better. And that's why we say technology is the practical application of scientific knowledge. You're using basic scientific principles to be able to solve some of life's most pertinent problems. That's technology. And to proceed with, I'd like to just say the term technology was derived from the Greek origin, and technology in Greek is seen as technologia, which means techne and also logia. And techne means the science of craft, logia means study of, and so technologia means the study of the science of craft, and that's why we see it to be the way it is. And technology as a word in English is seen to be the practical application of scientific knowledge, while technologia as the Greek representation of technology is seen to be the study of the science of craft. And so we're going to look at a schematic representation of what of the Greek origin of technology, which is you see here technologia meaning study of the science of craft, and then it can be broken down into techne, which means the science of craft, and also logia, which means study of. And now we're going to be rounding off our session with something that is very exciting that you do not want to miss for nothing, and that's our application of technology. You'd understand that over the years, we've always tried to find ways to do things faster, to do things better, and to do things cheaper, like I earlier said. And